Hello and welcome to Rhetoric 7371, Introduction to Online Writing Instruction. My name is Dr. Heidi Skurrod-Harris and I'll be your professor for this course. This course introduces us to the basic principles of learner-centered design for online writing instruction and focuses on how to write for online instruction writ large. So even if you're not teaching writing in general, you'll be able to use these concepts for online teaching of a variety of types. So this video is just going to walk you through the components of our course. There are 3 of them, and the first is the Blackboard site. So every Sunday night, Monday morning, you'll receive a welcome announcement to your UALR Gmail that will also be posted here that has your assignments, activities, and any information you need hyperlinked in for the week. Our Blackboard site is going to be used for 3 things: for announcements, which you see here, for class discussions that'll all take place in the Blackboard discussion board, and you can subscribe to forums or threads depending on the instructions I've provided here that allow Blackboard to generate an email to your UALR email account with the body of the post in the email, so you can make a decision about whether or not you need to go into Blackboard and respond to individual posts. It kind of helps with the engagement portion of the course. So what I do first of all is go into the Q&A discussion board forum and just subscribe to that forum, because that allows you or anyone in the class to ask a question of the class, get an email generated to your email, and we can all kind of crowdsource if you have any issues or problems. So discussion boards are the second thing we'll use Blackboard for. The last thing you'll use Blackboard for are your grades. And this links you into your own personalized grade center. One of the nice things here is that if there are any rubrics associated with your grades for an assignment, such as the discussion board, you can click on that rubric button and go directly to see what the rubric for the course will look like. In this case, all of our discussion boards are going to be evaluated according to this rubric in this point system. So that's what we use Blackboard for. If you notice these other buttons here at the left-hand side, these go to the other components of our course. And the first is our course website. And this is hosted in Google Sites. I do it for design. I think Blackboard has hideous design, and so I think this is much more beautiful and user-friendly. And it also allows me to link pages on this Google site directly into Blackboard. Blackboard has some internal linking issues that are a little bit difficult. So this will tell you a little bit about the course, this introductory page, a little bit of getting started information, and then your syllabus and schedule are linked into this home page. You can pop either one of those out by just clicking this button right here, and it will open in a new browser window. You can save those where you want to. The syllabus is pretty much set in stone, but the schedule might change. So if you are going to be working from the schedule, linking into parts of the course from that schedule, just note that there might be some changes in this, and I'll send out an announcement if I do make changes. So that's our introductory page. Before you get too far into the course, I'd like you to fill out this information form. It just tells me a few things about you. How you access the course, online, how familiar you are with various components of the class. That's kind of helped me kind of structure the course and understand what kind of tutorials and things I need to weave into the class itself. So the third component of our course is the UALR Google Suite, and you should be able to log into your UALR Gmail and then just go up to that little Rubik's Cube menu at the top and get to Drive. And Drive will be where we'll be working on creating and submitting documents. If you're not familiar with using Drive, I'm posting some tutorials in the first week of the class. Basically, it's just going up to New, creating a folder or creating a Google Doc, and then sharing that once you've created it. So it's the basic components of Drive. I would recommend you make a folder for this class and put all of your documents into it, just to kind of keep them in one place to help you organize. So those are the 3 main components: so Blackboard, Google Sites, and then the Google Suite. I'll make another video talking more about the content of the course and how this is going to work. But if you have any questions, please remember to either post a question in the Q&A discussion board or email me at haharris@ualr.edu. I'm looking forward to the semester.